Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Bolt announced that they have integrated Claude Code in their official website bolt.new. So if you go to this bolt.new, here you see that in this drop down you will find this Claude Agent. So you don't have to manually set up this Claude Code in your local. So here you see that this is the official announcement. No error loop, no setup nightmare. You just have to go to this bolt.new and select this Claude Agent here, and you will get the advantage of Claude Code. And in the upcoming days they will also integrate this GPT-5 codex, and for that we have to wait for some time. But now this Claude agent is usable. Another thing is that, do you need any extra Claude Code subscription for this? No, you don't have to take any Claude Code subscription externally. You just take the subscription from the bolt.new. If you want to upgrade your pricing, then if you want to upgrade your plan, and otherwise if you want to go with a free plan, there also you can use this Claude agent by selecting it from the drop down. Okay, so I have tried it on my own prompt, and here you see that I have got this kind of output. So when you go to this bolt.new and if you write some prompt, then you will find this kind of pop-up here, that Claude Code Codex, and this is the bold version 2. So just click on this type bold version 2, and here you see that this is the output. So what I have done, that I have taken this screenshot or design from this rebel.com, and I have provided it to this bold.new, and just ask it that build this e-commerce management dashboard like the image. And what it has done, you see that on the left hand side it has created some of the plans one by one, and after executing all of these plans, here you see that the plan completed, and this is the output. Now if I show you this output in the published link, here you see that I have already deployed it. And if I show you another thing, here you see that built-in backend hosting, DB and storage. So in this new version 2 you will get the built-in database. So if you just follow my cursor, there you will find one link. So I want to show it. Here you see that database. So if you go to this database, here you see manage your apps database. No, so for that obviously you need a pro plan. Now another thing is that if you just want to try this Claude agent or Claude Code in this bolt.new, then you can do that for free, because here you see that each month you will get this 2.5 million tokens, and in each month it will get renewed. So here you see that I have currently have this 2.5 million tokens, and I am currently on my free plan. Okay, so there also you will be able to use this Claude Code. And now let me show you the output. Here you see that it was my input image, and if you see that in this output, it is exactly matching with the output. And if you see this top product sale, so like the image, here you see that it has automatically generated this kind of images and have integrated it. I don't have provided any images explicitly, so it has the image reading capability and also the visual capability, and it is looking exactly like the top professional and industry level of output and the design. Okay, so this is very much helpful, and I will highly recommend you to use this Claude agent inside this bolt.new, because see, bolt.new has their own agentic capability, and Claude agent also have their own agentic capability. So they have integrated both of this agentic capability, and the output will be good, right? So you should definitely try this new Bolt version 2, and I hope that you will get the best output from them. By the way, I am not promoting this product. I just found this helpful, so that's why I thought to share with you, and I just shared it with you. And also, here you see that you can publish it, and there is a no cost deployment. So just click on this publish on the right hand side, and it will give you the link. Okay, and also you can integrate the custom domain with it. So there is all options available, and you can share this link with your friends, and whatever you can integrate it in your resume also. And also you can download this whole source code here. You see that the whole source code is available. Okay. So I hope that this video is helpful for you and you got some meaningful information from this video. And if you found helpful, don't forget to like this video also. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. And another interesting thing is that free Claude Sonnet 4.5. This is the CAD coder. This video is also I have published today. So please go and watch this video. You will get enough knowledge from this video because most people cannot afford this Claude Sonnet 4.5 due to pricing. But this CAD coder is a new model which is giving the same performance as the Claude Sonnet 4 and 4.5. So you should definitely try this. I have also tried it and I have already discussed about this in this video. So please go and check out that video. It will be very much helpful for you. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.